Hello everyone, my name is Gridhar. Now I am going to explain about the OS assignment. This is FCFS first come first serve. FCFS is non-primitive CPU scheduling algorithm that serves process strictly in order of arrival time using FIFO ready queue. Purpose used to schedule CPU among multiple process. Simulator goal complete the completion, compute them and waiting turnaround time for dynamical arriving process and visualize execution with Gantt chart. Processes are independent once a process started runs till completion, arrival and burst time. Design and implementation process record class with arrival time, burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time. Collect number of process for each process. Collect arrival time, burst time. Start the process by arrival time for FCFS simulator loop. Start time means max, completion time means start time plus burst time, turnaround time plus completion time minus burst time. Waiting time means turnaround time minus burst time. Stat means complete time minus arrival time. Waiting time means start minus burst time. Analysis and evaluation. Here we have considered three datasets. Dataset with no gap, similar arrival. Example pattern call arrival time 0, process P1 P4, switch moderate burst time and arrival time 0. This case FCFS behaves like simple queue, short and long job are mixed, and average waiting time is moderate but can still suffer and affect the long job. Show a small Gantt chart of burst time, complete time, turnaround time, waiting time. Data set 2. Different arrival time. Use a set with increasing arrival time where CPU may stay idle. When inter-arrival time are larger, FCFS can have lower waiting time because each process start arrival but idle period. Computed average time, waiting time often low, but average turnaround time reflects both burst and gap between arrivals. Dataset the strong conway effect. Choose one very long job followed by several short jobs with all arriving time at the same time. FCFS focuses on all short job to wait until the long job completes their work. Here we have average waiting time and average turnaround time table. Here we have the pattern descriptions. All arrives at 0, staggered at idle gap, out long plus many short time. Means it has cases for dataset 1, 2, 3. Implementation steps. Start the program. Begin by including the necessary header file studio.h. Define a structure process. Process input output burst time, completion time, arrival time, start time, waiting time, turnaround time. Input number of process. The program asks the user to enter the number of process. Take input for each process. Process ID P1, P2, P3. Read arrival time, read burst time. Sort process by arrival time. Sort all process increasing order of arrival time. Process that comes first gets the CPU first. Calculate scheduling parameter. Start time. If CPU idle, start time, arrival time. CPU busy, start time equal current time. Completion time means start time plus burst time. Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. Waiting time means turnaround time minus burst time. Flowchart. Start program. Input number of process. Input arrival time and burst time for each process. Sort process by arrival time for each process. Start time, complete time, waiting time, turnaround time. Display table. Calculate average waiting time and turnaround time, and this is the C code for the processor, and this is the output for data set 1. We have considered three processor here, and it has the same arrival time and different burst time P15, P23, P38, and here we have calculated average waiting time 4.3 and average turnaround time 9.6. Similarly, we have output for data set 2 and data set 3. Observations. FCFS executes process in the order they arrive. If a long process comes first, all other wait longer. Waiting time and turnaround time depend mainly on arrival order. CPU becomes idle when no resource has arrived. FCF is simple but not efficient for process. Average waiting time increases when early processes have large burst time. Comparative evaluation. Data set 1, data set 2, data set 3. Data set 1 has 3 processors. Here it has arrival time all 0 and different burst time. Average wait time is 4.3. Average turnaround time is 10. Data set 2, it has different arrival time and different burst time. In data set 3, it has different arrival time and different burst time. And here it has comparison table of average waiting time and average turnaround time. Conclusion. FCFS is not recommended for real-time application. SRAF provides the best performance with lower waiting time and fast response, and This is the end of our assignment video which I have explained. Thank you.